Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to compare plans in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate WordPress and explore the various subscription options that are available. We begin by opening your web browser and going directly to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, you will see a familiar layout that includes a login option located in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this login option is the first action you will take. After you click the login button, the website will present you with several options to sign in. Look for the option that says Continue with Google and click on it. Using this method allows you to securely authenticate your access by connecting through your Google account. The design is straightforward and intended to make the process quick and simple. You may notice that if you have previously used your Google account with WordPress, some details might be pre-populated to speed up the login process. Once you click on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts appears if you have more than one set up for sign-in. At this point, select the Google account you wish to use. This step ensures that you are using the correct account associated with your WordPress projects, and the process is designed to be smooth, avoiding the complexity of creating a separate username and password. After your account has been selected and you are logged into your WordPress dashboard, it is time to explore the subscription options that the platform offers. Look at the navigation area of your dashboard where you will find an option that leads you to upgrades. Clicking on the upgrades option directs you to a dedicated area where all the additional plans and features are showcased. The layout in the upgrade section is designed to highlight the benefits and enhancements available to users who wish to elevate their WordPress experience. Scroll down within the upgrades area until you locate the option to compare plans. This option is typically positioned towards the bottom of the upgrades page. Once you click on compare plans, you will be presented with a detailed comparison chart. This comparison chart clearly outlines the different tiers of service, allowing you to see side by side the features that are included in each plan. The information is laid out in a user-friendly format so that you can review the various offerings, such as storage options, support features, and other functionalities, all in one convenient view. The user interface throughout this process is intentionally simple and easy to follow. By navigating from the WordPress homepage to the login area, then logging in using your Google account, and finally accessing the upgrade section to compare plans, you ensure that you are fully informed about the different subscription options. Each step is designed to guide you to important information that supports your decision-making process regarding website management and enhancement. This guide has walked you through the entire process in clear and deliberate stages. You have learned how to access WordPress, authenticate via Google, and review the available subscription plans by comparing their features. With a clear understanding of these steps, you are now empowered to select the plan that best fits your individual or business needs. Enjoy exploring the full range of options that WordPress has to offer and make the most informed decision for your website's future.